Welcome to another Power BI tutorial. Today, we will discuss some newly added features in Power BI Desktop, and create a dashboard, using those features. We hope you find these features useful and interesting. We will start by loading the data into Power BI Desktop, using Get Excel Workbook button. Once the data is loaded, it will be available in the data pane, from where we can use it in our dashboard. First of all, let's add a title to our dashboard. It is always better to enable Snap to Grid for accurate and precise placement of visuals. Place the text box at the top of the dashboard. Enter an appropriate title for your dashboard, and make it prominent. Add a visual border to your text box. Visual border has now more options, including option to set rounded corners. Corners can be rounded for up to 30 px. Let's set the value to 8 px, which will give us slightly rounded corners. We can also set the color of our visual border. We can also set the background color of our visual, and its transparency, from the background section. Shadows can also be added to a visual now, inside or outside, in various directions. Let's add a pie chart to our dashboard. We will add the quarter field, from date, to the legend, and the sales field, to the values area. We will place this visual at the top left corner. Now, we will set the value of rounded corners to 8 px. And the background color to light gray, with 90% transparency. Now, we will duplicate this chart, and replace the sales field, with the cost field, from the data pane. Duplicate one of the existing charts, and place it at the top right corner of the dashboard. Remove all the existing fields from the visual, and add year field only. Now change the visual to a slicer. And from the slicer styles, select vertical list, for your slicer visual. You can now select one, or more years, and the other charts will reflect the data of same years. Copy one of the pie charts, and place it below the existing charts. Replace the quarter field, with the month field, from date hierarchy. And change the pie chart, to a line and column chart. Add the cost field, to the line y-axis. Great, our dashboard looks nice. Let's explore some more new features, and add them to our dashboard. You can now add customized data labels. First, turn on the data labels. You can add titles to your chart columns or bars by turning on the titles. You can also set font size, color, transparency, etc. for your title. You can also set the default value, for blank data now. Another newly added feature is layout setting, which you can set to single line, or multi-line. Single line is more elegant but takes up more space. You can also set background color of your data labels. Now, you can apply settings to one, or all series. When selected all, same setting will be applied to all series. And when we select one of them, the settings will apply to that series only. Just like now, we have selected cost, and background color change will only apply to the cost series. Another amazing feature is details. To explore this feature, we will create a measure first. We will use the if condition, to determine if the change is less than 0, or greater than 0. If the change is less than 0, it means that the sales have declined. In that case, along with the value of change multiplied by 100. We will also display a down arrow, depicting decline in sales, using a Unicode character. Otherwise, the same value will be displayed, with an up arrow, depicting increase in sales. Now, go back to the report view, select the chart, and in the data labels, turn on the details. In the data, add the measure you have just created. Now we have the value of change, along with arrows, in the details. We can also apply some conditional formatting, and display increase and decrease, in two different colors. In the color section, click on the FX button. Select Rules, from Format Styles. Add a rule for values greater than 0, and select blue color for this rule. Make sure that the rule is applied to the change field. Then add another rule, for change less than 0, and select red color for this rule. Make sure to select number, instead of percentage. When done, click on the OK button. Now, as you can see, all the negative values are red, and all the positive values are blue, in details. You can now also add borders to your bars and columns, and set their width and color as well. Spacing can also be added, when there are stacked charts. And with this, we conclude our tutorial. Thanks for watching. We hope you liked our tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful tutorials and updates.